In the world of classic cars, where power and flash often dominate, an unexpected icon emerged. A car that defied expectations, blending timeless design, Swedish engineering, and a unique personality, the Volvo P1800. The P1800 wasn't your typical muscle car. It wasn't about brute force. It was about a sophisticated driving experience. Its sleek, aerodynamic design, inspired by Italian sports cars, turned heads wherever it went. Stepping inside the P1800 was like entering a well-crafted Scandinavian living room. The focus was on comfort, functionality, and timeless design. Every detail, from the leather seats to the elegant instrument cluster, exuded a sense of quality and craftsmanship. The P1800 wasn't just a car, it was a lifestyle choice. It appealed to drivers who valued style, comfort, and a touch of individuality. Its association with the iconic character, the Saint, further solidified its status as a pop culture icon. Though production ended in the 1970s, the P1800's legacy lives on. It continues to inspire car enthusiasts worldwide, a testament to the enduring power of timeless design and unexpected success. The P1800 paved the way for Volvo's future, showcasing their ability to blend safety, performance, and sophisticated design, a legacy that continues to this day. The Volvo P1800 is an unexpected icon, a reminder that sometimes the most remarkable journeys come from the most unexpected places.